Hello everyone. Welcome to EduBridge in News. Today we'll be discussing another important topic that will be the Central Vista project. Central Vista project के बारे में आज हम समझेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to EduBridge IAS and also press the bell icon so that you get updated with the videos regularly. If your optional is political science and you are preparing for UPSC civil services examinations in 22 and 23, then we are coming up with political science optional that will be taken by Nitish Sharma, that is me, where we will be providing you comprehensive coverage of static and dynamic aspects. We will be giving you live online classes, and in case you miss your classes, you will be provided with a recorded video lecture. We will give you daily practice questions. There will be comprehensive coverage of previous year questions. You will be provided with comprehensive notes. Answer writing and discussion will be a regular aspect. The course duration will be approximately 3.5 months. It may go up to 4 months also, depending upon the dynamic aspects of the subject. And the course is beginning on 1st of June 2021. So save the date, 1st of June 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Until 31st May, we are giving you a special offer that the fees will not be 45,000, it will be 30,000, including all the taxes. So if you are preparing for political science optional, or if you know someone who is preparing for political science optional, please do check out our demo classes at least, so that you get the clarity about the subject and how to prepare for the subject. Now, we are beginning with Central Vista project. It is an ambitious project that is being developed in the region that is called as the Rajpath. Ambitious project that is being developed in the region that is called as Rajpath. The total length of this region will be 3.2 kilometer. So the Central Vista project will be along this 3.2 kilometer region. Now, what will be developed under the Central Vista project? They will be developing the new parliament. The new parliament, this will be the region of new parliament. They will be developing new prime minister's office. So this will be the new prime minister's office. They will be developing the new residences for the prime minister and the vice president. This will be the south block and this will be the north block. So they will be developing the new residences for the prime minister and vice president, and there will be a common secretariat. There will be a common central secretariat. So this whole ambitious project will consist of the residences, it will consist of the offices, it will consist of the new parliament building, and it will consist of the prime minister's office. Be very, very clear, it will have both the prime minister's office as well as residence of the prime minister. Okay, so this is the overall Central Vista project. Now the estimated cost of the new project is 20,000 crore rupees. 20,000 crore rupees, and the cost of the new parliament building is included in this 20,000 crore rupees. Okay, so the new parliament is not being built for 20,000 crore rupees. The new parliament is being built for an amount which is less than this, जिसको आपकी वीडियो के एंड में हम क्लियर करेंगे that what will be the total cost or the total estimated cost of the new parliament building. So क्या है, आप थोड़ा सा और इसको डिटेल में समझते हैं. The present government introduced a new project to develop the Central Vista that will redevelop the present buildings that were developed by the British under the architecture or the under the guidance of Edward Lutyens. So Lutyens Delhi भी बोला जाता है. This will totally revamp the structure, and it is estimated to be completed by 2024. It is estimated to be completed by 2024 under the ministry. So which is ministry is executing this project? That will be Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay, so it is a 3.2 kilometer stretch region named as Central Vista. It will redevelop the buildings developed by the British. Among this total cost, the cost for the new parliament building is 971 crores only. The cost of this total project will include 971 crores that will be for the new parliament building. I have already explained it to you what this central vista will be consisting of. Okay, and this is the building. This building is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. This building is the Rashtrapati Bhavan, or the house of the Honorable President of India, and these are the blocks. These are the blocks on the northern and southern part of the President's house. ठीक है, इसीलिए इनको बोला जाता है नॉर्थ ब्लॉक एंड साउथ ब्लॉक. आप लोगों ने काफी टाइम न्यूज में सुना होगा that this meeting was conducted in north block or south block. ठीक है. Now this is the envisaged project. This is the envisaged project of the new Parliament House. This is the envisaged project of the new Parliament House. This is how the new Parliament House will look like. ठीक है. Now this building will be triangular in shape, which will be spread over the region of 64,500 meters square. 64,500 meters square, which will be sitting 1,224 MPs, which is much more than the present capacity. अब क्या होगा? लोक सभा chamber can sit 888 MPs. The Rajya Sabha can accommodate 384 MPs. So if in future the number of MPs in the parliament increase, so they can have adequate capacity of space in the new parliament building. Okay, so it is increasing the number of seats for the MPs. What else it is doing? That will be more clear from this picture. On the left hand side, you have the old parliament building. This is the old parliament building, and this is the new parliament building. Now this is Lok Sabha. This will be the Lok Sabha. Okay, this at present is the Rajya Sabha. This will be the Rajya Sabha. This region is the common hall. Okay, this region is the common hall. This is the library, and this is the courtyard. And in this circular region, the offices are located. In the new building, this is triangular in shape. This will be the Lok Sabha. This is the Rajya Sabha, and this will be the common hall. This will be the common hall where the library and other offices will be situated, which will be common to all. And these offices of the parliament will be located on the corner or the edges of this triangular building. This is the new parliament house that will be developed. Okay. What will happen to the old parliament building? So the old parliament building will be used for the parliamentary events. Okay, it will be used for the parliamentary event, and the new parliament will be used for the parliamentary purposes. So it will be used as a heritage museum in future. It will be used as a heritage museum in the future. And the most important thing that you need to know, that the new parliament will have the use of science and technology, where the offices will be paperless. So it will be environment friendly. It will be environment friendly. This is a good feature of the Central Vista building. The new parliament is envisaged to be completed by 2022, and the whole Central Vista project is expected to be completed by 2024. Okay. Now there is a controversy. Where the opposition is against the development. That is the Central Vista redevelopment project, particularly because of the present COVID-19 pandemic. The opposition is saying that the amount that has been allocated to the Central Vista project, that amount may be used for dealing with the corona crisis. So this is what the opposition is saying. It is not only the opposition that is against this project, rather the conservationists are saying that it will affect the architectural marvel that was created by Edwin Lutyens, which will be affected if we are redeveloping that region. The environmentalists, on the other hand, they are saying that it will affect the environment. The region where the Central Vista project is located, it will affect the environment, and that is why the project shall at least be postponed till the pandemic is over. Okay, this is what we had to understand in this in this Central Vista project. Like current affairs and daily quiz, do subscribe to our Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is provided in the video description, and we'll get back to you with some other topic in our new segment that is called as EduBridge IASN News. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.